Hey guys, welcome to another video. Keeping true to the daily or every other day video schedule, I thought I'd make another video because there's also some really cool and exciting news in the marketplace. So, firstly, as of Monday, GrayScale purchased another $600 million worth of BTC, adding to their already massive stack of over $20 billion of assets under management. This was actually 16 times the daily BTC that had been mined. So they bought over 16,000 BTC, which is absolutely crazy. They literally bought 16 days worth of mining profits in one day. They've also raised another $700 million in a day, which is unheard of in the crypto space, let alone in the GrayScale space. So that is massive, massive news. The next one we have is BlackRock, which is one of the largest asset managers in the world. They manage something like $7.81 trillion in assets, and they've just announced that they're going to be investing into BTC and getting some exposure there for their clients. This has been announced by them applying to the SEC, so the documentation that they've had to submit has been flagged, and crypto enthusiasts have found it and gone, wow, need to share this with the world. So massive investment company is starting to look at BTC and get some exposure there. So again, there's just so much movement and momentum that's happening. BTC is very much in a consolidation phase. It's forming a nice flag. It's an upward flag. So we still potentially have more upside, but as we've seen, when the consolidation happens into the flag, it's very unpredictable. To go up, to go down, or it can continue to trade sideways. We also had Ethereum breach the all-time high, and a number of different altcoins that are doing 200, 300% in the last week, which is also super exciting. So let's have a quick word from one of our sponsors, and then we'll sum up the video. I want to just talk about one of our sponsors, Max Wright. He's actually putting together a webinar training which is going to teach you how to invest $5,000 wisely today that can give you a passive income of $100,000 per year or more in as little as 18 months.
Experts agree that the next 18 months represents the greatest opportunity of our lifetime for the average person to go from where they are financially to where they want to be. I say it a little bit differently. I say that with just $5,000 correctly invested today, you can create a $100,000 per year passive income that will give most people complete financial freedom in just 18 months. When I say that, people roll their eyes and say, you've got to be kidding. That can't possibly be true. Until they see what I show them right here on this whiteboard. Then a light bulb goes off. They get it, and they are excited by the financial freedom and wealth that is within their grasp. G'day, my name is Max Wright, and if you're here, it means that you are a trusted subscriber to Jeff Berwick, the Dollar Vigilante, of myself at Success Council, or one or two other trusted sources. This is a closed invitation-only event for educators that I know and approve of for one very good reason. Because I know subscribers of these great teachers are some of the most educated people out there, which means I get to do something really fun.
Go ahead, register now, and let me know in the comments what you thought of the webinar. Okay, so if you haven't already jumped into the Max Wright webinar, make sure you do. You are going to get a real kick out of that webinar. There's lots of great content and value on there that you won't want to miss out on, because he's made some really good predictions. The other thing that I will say is we're continuing to see a lot of positive movement in the alts. We're starting to see money flow into them. Binance is also doing a massive token burn, which from those of you who have been following the BNB or the Binance token for some time, you'll know that it is one coin that has outperformed all others during the bear market. And one of the reasons that is happening is because they're doing a token burn each time. There's also incentives in holding that. You get lower trading fees if you're trading. And overall, it's just a really good token that's backed by one of the best exchanges in the world, if not the best, which has the highest volume on the daily basis. So And that leads me to our outro. So this video is also sponsored by BlockFi. BlockFi is a great platform and a very secure platform to be able to gain interest from your cryptocurrency, as well as borrow against your cryptocurrency to pay bills, to start a business, to pay some debt down. It's a great opportunity for you to do that without selling your BTC and triggering a capital gains event. As always, these videos are not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. And that's it for me. In the spirit of keeping these videos short and sweet, under 5 minutes long, we'll cut the video here. In the spirit of keeping these videos short and sweet, this is another one from me. I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Make sure you give this a comment or a like or subscribe. What are your thoughts on what's going on? Do you feel like GrayScale are purchasing all of this BTC to dump it on the open market? Are you seeing it as a bullish indicator, or are you seeing it as a not so much bullish indicator? What are you seeing from your side? So leave me a comment below. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.